Hello there, wisdom seekers, and welcome back to another Soulful Summaries. Today on the channel, we will explore a book that unlocks the true essence of prayer and its transformative power. Today, we have a gem that will revolutionize the way you approach prayer. It is How to Really Pray by Neville Goddard. If you are ready to take your prayer practice to a whole new level, you are in for a treat. So let's get started. How to Really Pray by Neville Goddard is a profound guide that unveils the art of prayer and how it can manifest your deepest desires. Let's explore some of the key insights from this book. Insight number 1. Know the power of prayer within. Insight number 1. Know the power within you. Goddard reminds us that prayer is not begging or pleading to an external deity. Instead, it is a recognition of the divine power that dwells within us. Realize that you are connected to the source of all creation, and through prayer, you access this power to shape your reality. Insight number 2, the state akin to sleep. One of his powerful techniques is the prayer in the state akin to sleep. It is a state of deep relaxation where your conscious mind is quiet and your subconscious is receptive. In this state, your intentions are most effectively impressed upon the subconscious mind, which leads to powerful manifestations. Insight number 3, feeling the wish fulfilled. To pray effectively, he advises us to feel that feeling of the wish fulfilled. Engage all of your senses and emotions as if your prayer has already been answered. This feeling of fulfillment generates a magnetic force that attracts your desires into your reality. Insight number 4, the prayer of thanksgiving. This is a potent technique to demonstrate your faith. So rather than asking for what you lack, give thanks for what you desire, as if it is already manifested. This attitude will reinforce your belief in the manifestations of your desires. Insight number 5, surrender and acceptance. Neville teaches us the importance of surrender and accepting into your prayer. Trust that your prayer has been heard and is on its way to fulfillment. Let go of all doubts and the need to control the how of the manifestation by surrendering and allowing the divine to work its magic in your life. Insight number 6, pray for others as you would pray for yourself. Extend your prayer to include others in your life. He encourages us to pray for others as if their desires have been fulfilled, and by doing so, you uplift them and help them to manifest their own dreams by fostering a collective energy of abundance and well-being. And there you have it, a quick yet profound insight into How to Really Pray by Neville Goddard. This book will take you on a journey of self-empowerment through the transformative practice of prayer. If you found these enlightening, I definitely want to make sure that you go read the full book if you haven't already. This video cannot do justice as a substitute, because he really goes into depth of how you can do these things, because people always ask the questions of, well, how do I do it? How can I make it deeper? And each of these things that I mentioned, he really goes into depth of knowing that God power within you and knowing how powerful you are and how you can bless yourself and others with that power. And I will leave a link below for the audiobook and also a link below for the actual book. And you can go down there just to, get deep into your practice. Remember that prayer is a powerful tool that can manifest miracles in your life. And stay tuned for more empowering book reviews. Go watch some of the other ones on the channel. And until next time, pray with conviction, believe with your faith, and embrace the magic.